Be to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds, in the name of Allah, the most affectionate, the merciful, and peace be upon the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, today we are going to discuss Old Man and the Sea's major character, the hero of this novel, Santiago. Hemingway has portrayed Santiago as the hero of this novel, and Santiago has been shown as a courageous, determined, and brave figure who, though faced the hardships of life, but he had the necessary courage and determination to cope with all the problems and all the sufferings and all the disturbances which he faced in his life. He is a fisherman by profession, and for 84 days he couldn't catch a fish. In his town where he was living, people used to call him unlucky. Even Manolin, who was his most trusted disciple and student, even his parents forbade him to visit Santiago. On the other hand, Old Man was not pessimist. He didn't lose hope, and Manolin also consoled him this respect. On the 85th day, finally he got a fish, and then he tied this fish. It was so much big that he couldn't keep it inside the boat. He tied the fish along with the boat and rowed for the whole night. All the parts of fish were stolen by the bloody sharks, and he fought with them too. In this effort, he was exhausted, he was dead tired, and he was injured as well. But finally, when he reached his destination, he said, "A man can be destroyed but not defeated." This is the crux of this story, and this is the main idea which Hemingway wants to convey through the character of Santiago, that a man can be destroyed but not defeated. It means physically, if a man loses something in life, it doesn't mean that he has lost everything. If psychologically and mentally he is strong and he is ready to face the hardships and problems of life, then no force of the world can defeat him. Then there will be many chances around the corner which will make him victorious once again in the eyes of people, in the eyes of the world. That's the message we get from the Old Man and the Sea, that a man shouldn't lose hope. He should continue his struggle, he should continue his efforts. Finally, a day will come when his efforts and his struggle will be fruitful. In this world and in this human race, there are many examples which can be cited in favor of this argument. There were many people who were bitterly opposed by their near and dear ones, who were bitterly opposed by their communities, but they persistently stuck to their idea, persistently stuck to their determination, and finally the whole world saw that they were victorious. So same is the lesson we get from this famous novel, Old Man and the Sea, that if you want to achieve something in life, you must be brave enough to face the failures in life. If one day you are achieving something, a day will come you will not be able to get that thing, but it doesn't mean to lose heart. One should persistently struggle, one should persistently endeavor to get something concrete, get something positive, get something fruitful, and Allah Almighty will grant him. So that's what we learn from this lesson from the character of Santiago. It is the most important question included in BA course, that write a note on Santiago as the code hero of this novel. Today we have discussed a little bit. You must prepare this first question. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next lecture.